Welcome, following me is a Poco F2 Pro, and today I'll show you how to copy contacts from your SIM card to the device. So to get started, you want to open up the Contacts standalone app. So keep in mind I'm talking about the standalone, which is going to be located in the Google folder. It's right here. Let's skip this. And in this app you only have access to the contacts and no dialer. And when you go into the three bars right there and settings, you will find at the bottom import option, and when you tap on it, choose SIM card. Okay, and then it gives you a list of every contact that is located on the SIM card. By default they will be all selected unless they are already on your device. So if you import some contacts, they will be then grayed out and you won't be able to import them again. And you also can deselect the ones that you might not want, and once you're satisfied with everything that is selected, just tap on the check mark and that's it. The contacts now have been imported, as you can see right over here. And just as a little showcase, if I go back to importing from SIM card, you will see that now several of them are grayed out. Not really sure why not 4 of them are, because this one was already also imported. Not sure how it works in this case, but yeah. So that is how you would import contacts, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.